జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. And then immediately Rama Lakshmana cremated Kabandha's body. Then from that Agni, Kabandha came out with pure beautiful garments and ornaments and started saying to Rama that Rama srunu tatvena yadha sitam avapsyasi. Rama, now I am going to give you an idea by which you will gain Sita back. Listen to me carefully. There is one person, just like you, he is also going through some troubles. Now you have to do friendship with the one who is also going through the same amount of same kind of pain like you. Then only you will be able to successfully attain your goal. Rama, his name is Sugrivo Nama Vanaraha. His name is Sugriva. He is a monkey. You have to do friendship with him. That helps you in getting Sita back. Like that Kabandha said to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Kabandha is now saying to Rama, "Oh Rama, go ahead and do friendship with Sugriva. He was sent out by his brother Vali. Now Sugriva has no kingdom. Now he is living Rishyamuke Girivare Pampa Paryanta Sobhite. On the banks of Pampa river there is a mountain called Rishyamukam. He is living over there with 4 of his other Vanaras. Oh Rama, Sugriva is great man, Mahaviryaha, very strong, Tejovan, he has so much glow, Satyasandho, he speaks truth, Vinitascha, he always be humble, Dhrutiman, he has that zeal, Matiman, he has good knowledge, Mahan, he is great. Oh Rama, such great Sugriva does not have kingdom now. He is in so many troubles now. Rama, definitely that Sugriva helps you. Macha soke manakrudhaha. Now Rama, now you don't cry, you don't worry. Go ahead and do friendship with Sugriva. Oh Ikshvakutilaka Rama, bhavitavyam hi yechapi. Na tachakyam iha anyadha. Whatever supposed to be happening, nobody can stop that happens. And there is no one who can go against time. Kalo hi duratikramaha. Nobody can overcome these kind of things. Gacha sigram, go fast. Rama, you do friendship with Sugriva by taking witness of Agni and all the weapons. Samagamya dipyamane vibhavasau. Do that kind of friendship so that there won't be any differences between both of you in future. Rama, Sugriva is a monkey, but don't think that what this monkey can do to me. Why should I be friend with monkey? Don't think like that and don't insult Sugriva. Sugriva is master of all the monkeys. He knows all the living places of all the Rakshasas. Natasya aviditam loke kinchidastihi raghavaha. There is no place that Sugriva would not know. So he helps you a lot. So Rama, go ahead and do friendship with him. Like that Kabandha saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Kabandha saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami, "Oh Rama, go to Sugriva and do friendship with him. He is the one who can search for Sita. He is the one who can within a day, who can go around all the places. Sanadin, Vipulan, Sailan, Giri, Durgani, Kandaran, Anvikshya. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.